Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this channel, Everyday Data Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts involved in data science by practicing a lot of questions. In this video, I'm going to solve this question on LeetCode regarding replace employee ID with the unique identifier and try to walk you through how we can develop solutions in such problems. This question has been asked in 0.72 interviews last couple of years. Now, let's jump right in. We are given a table called employees with two different columns, ID and name, where ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID and the name of an employee in a company. Okay. We are also given another table called employee uni, which has two different columns, ID and unique ID. And the combination of ID and unique ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID and the corresponding unique ID of an employee in the company. Okay, we are asked to write an SQL query to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null. Return the result table in any order. Okay, let's go through this example. So here we are given two tables, right? Employees tables and employee unit table. Now for each of these employees, we need to return the unique ID, and if the unique ID is not present, we need to return null. Okay. So let's say, so for ID equal to 1, if you see, there is no ID 1, right? So this Alice does not has a unique ID. So here you will be having null. For Bob, null. For 11, Meyer, right? So for 11, you have unique ID 2. So for Winston, it would be unique ID 3. And for Jonathan, the unique ID is going to be 1. So basically what we need to do is, so that is what is being returned, right? So basically we need to join these. And since we need to keep everything from this table, so we left join this table on this table, right? So from employees table alias add small e, left join the employee uni table, let's alias it as EU, on where we are joining, on the ID columns of both these tables, right? So on e.id is equal to eu.id. Now what we need to return is unique ID and the name, right? So unique ID is in the employee uni table, so we return eu dot unique ID, and the name is in employees table, right? So e dot name. So this is what we need to do. Again, how are we taking care of this null? Like when we don't have a unique ID, show null. The left join itself is taking care of it. So again, ID 1, it is, since it is not able to find anything, so it is going to have null value in the unique, right? So that is how a left join works. If it finds a match, it inculcates the information. If it does not find a match, it just places null, right? So yeah, let's go ahead and run this query and see if it is accepted or not. So yeah, this is accepted. Our output is same as expected output. Let me submit it and see if it passes all the test cases. So yeah, this passes all the test cases, and this is how we solve such kind of problem. So it was an easy problem to do, and the only thing that we needed to do was to perform a left join. And even though it was explicitly mentioned to show something, if you understand left join, we didn't have to do anything else big for that, right? So yeah, let me know if you guys found this video useful, and I will see you guys in the next video.